I wish to talk about middle income trap today. You might be wondering, why is it important to talk about middle income trap? I find it very important for us because we are one of 108, yes, 108 countries that are stuck in this trap. Your future, your quality of life, your ability to enjoy living fully depends on whether India can get out of this trap or not. We often see in movies that developed nations are so clean. The stress on people for daily survival is so less. We here have to work 60, 70 hours every week just to survive. The competition among students for basic jobs are also so high. What if we don't have all these problems? Life would be much simpler, easier, comfortable, and enjoyable, right? Well, that is what getting out of middle income trap can bring to a nation. That's why it's important to understand it and discuss it. In 2007, a World Bank report coined the concept of middle income trap. At the time, the term was used to describe countries mostly in Latin America and Middle East. These countries, despite economic growth and falling poverty rates, were never able to become high income countries. In 2023, the World Bank classified middle income countries as economies who have a gross national income per capita ranging from approximately $1,000 to approximately $13,800. Within this grouping, countries can further be classified as lower middle income countries who have per capita gross national income between $1,000 to $4,400 approximately. And then there are upper middle income countries that have a gross national income per capita from 4,400 approximately to $13,800. So, what exactly happens in a middle income trap? That's important to understand. Middle income trap is a situation where middle income countries get stuck at a certain point in relation to economic growth, wage competition, and innovation. Like India right now is stuck on economic growth of 6 to 8%. Innovation in India is unable to beat China even after policies like Make in India. The quality of labor is also unable to match the productivity of Chinese employees, even though we are better at English. This happens because often these countries start relying on policies which are predicated on superficial measures of economic efficiency. Superficial measures like giving too much subsidies to everyone for survival, not working enough on tax base, rather focusing on increasing tax rates for the people, which results in tax evasion. Educational institutions carrying out superficial reforms but not actually transforming their educational outcomes according to needs of the market. We see all of these happening in India right now. These circumstances make middle income countries especially prone to premature slowdowns in development. Now that we know that India might get stuck in middle income trap, how can it actually get out of it? There are three major steps that can be taken to get out of this trap. They sound very easy, but they're actually not. The first one, something that India is already doing, is attract global investment, which is a popular way to grow the economy faster. India is already doing it, but it is not enough alone anymore. Why? Because there is too much investment floating around for many countries. If India can combine other measures with higher investment, only then it can grow fast enough to beat the middle income trap. Secondly, after investment comes infusion. India has to increase the usage of advanced technologies in order to make its people more productive and increase demand inside the economy itself. Today, what happens is trade with other countries also depends heavily on the kind of advanced tech the exporting country uses. Everything is getting driven by tech. The interrelationship between humans and tech is the future of the world. If India can infuse advanced tech into its own functioning, it can grow faster than others. Let's come to the third step now, which is about leading tech by increasing production through innovation. If India can work on creating enough advanced technologies to match the global innovation in artificial intelligence, which is the future, then maybe India can be a part of the global innovation. While the second step is about adoption, the third step is about being a leader in innovation and creating new tech. Is there any country that has successfully ever crossed over the middle income trap in the recent times? Yes, there is. In the 1970s and 1980s, South Korea pursued reforms to encourage private investment and industrial policies that boosted technology use and also production efficiency in their country. Subsequent economic growth was staggering in South Korea. Their per capita income rose from approximately $1,200 in 1960 to $33,000 per capita in 2023. Now, all this data is according to the World Bank. So, this is it from my side on middle income trap. I hope now you have a better understanding about what it is and how to get out of it. If you wish to share anything, feel free to pen your thoughts in the comment section below. All the best.